Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to another video. And today we're in Tauranga, New Zealand. We're about to go on a folding bike trip. We're doing about 30k ride today, and we're staying at this beautiful campsite here, which is also a spa. So I've got the folding bikes with us right here. The good thing is they can easily fit inside the vehicle, which is also a camper van, and can be stored pretty easily. Just fold it up like that, and we just put a chain around them for security. So the first part of our journey will be heading alongside the lagoon on the cycleway.
I'm heading along the cycle route over to the mount. Nice long day's ride, and I'm gonna have an ice cream when I get there.
The handlebar folding mechanism on that last stretch of cycleway on the gravel, the constant vibration caused it to come open. I didn't notice that it had come open and continued riding, and the handlebars came open on me. So once that comes undone, you basically have no control over the bike. I think that should help hold it together. We'll see how it goes. Welcome to beautiful New Zealand. Welcome to a typical New Zealand intersection. I want to draw your attention to where the cyclist is supposed to go in this. And action.
So we're at the halfway point roughly, or just after. The big bridge behind me was the halfway point between where we've come from and the mount. So far it's been alright. I have to work about twice as hard as Andy does on the turn. The gears jump a little bit rattly on the folding mechanism.
What do you think about that intersection up there?
What a joke. Good old fish and chips. Eat it.
Delicious fish and chips. Just like Mama used to make. Cheers. We've made it to our final destination of Mount Maunganui Beach. Beautiful white sands, crystal clear water, and all that's left to do is jump on our bikes and take the treacherous ride home. Thanks for watching another folding bike adventure. My name's Andy, you're watching Hobo Cyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.